In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from one OneDrive account to another in just 5 minutes. This quick and efficient method will ensure your files are where you need them, when you need them. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Microsoft account, which you can do by navigating to the Microsoft website and entering your credentials. Once you're in, locate the app launcher. The app launcher is typically on the top left of your screen, represented by a grid of small squares. This tool helps you access your Microsoft apps quickly and easily, so click on it and then select OneDrive from the menu. Now you'll be directed to your OneDrive homepage. Look for the option labelled My Files and click on it. This action will open up all the files and folders you've stored in OneDrive. Find the folder you wish to transfer and select it by clicking on it. With your folder chosen, locate the Share button. This button will open a dialog box that allows you to share your folder with another OneDrive account. At this point, you're going to need the email address of the OneDrive account you wish to transfer the files to. Type this email address into the provided field. Once you've entered the email address, you have a couple of options on how to proceed. You can click on Send, which will immediately send an email containing the access link, or you can opt to click on Copy Link to manually share the folder link in your preferred way. But before you send or copy the link, make sure you tick the Can Edit box. This setting ensures that the receiving account has permission to edit and manage the files. After you've shared the files from your account, it's time to switch over to the destination OneDrive account. Log in with the appropriate credentials and head to the Shared page, accessible via the navigation bar. You should see the folder you've just shared here. Select this folder and click on Copy To, which will allow you to move it to your desired location within this account's OneDrive storage. Alternatively, you might want to add a shortcut to My Files for easy future access. And with that, your file transfer is complete. You've successfully moved your folder from one OneDrive account to another. This method is efficient and helps maintain file integrity during the transfer process. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your OneDrive files more effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to revisit this guide. Happy organizing!